So it's unloading yellow here, which is slot number 4. There it goes into there, in slot buffer. And it's then going to load up. Let's see, it's moving to slot 2, which is green. And it's going to load up the green. I put that little visualizer on there to see that. But this is a new spool rack I made. Everything's really sturdy, not going anywhere, and there's no friction in these spools. So, printing a 9-hour print of these little cuddly owls here in printables. 3 of them. This is the MMU, a couple modifications to it. See the other videos for more info.